What's up guys, welcome back to the video. So today we're going to be learning about CSS Overflow. So let's get started. So basically this CSS Overflow lets us basically kind of like get scroll bars and stuff in our web pages. So yeah, that's pretty much what it does. So let's see an example. So first we're going to be having a div tag. Let's go ahead and do that. And inside this div tag, by the way, we're going to be having a class. And this class is going to be a container class since it's going to store something called a paragraph. So we're going to be here having a paragraph tag. And then inside this, we're just going to be saying hello. And we actually need a scroll bar. So let me go ahead and copy this a lot of times and paste this. So let me go ahead and do like 5 or 6 times or so. So there you go. I mean, that's a lot, but it's fine. So we can get this scroll bar right here. So I'm just gonna click enter so that it's not gonna be there. So yeah. So now this is how it's gonna be working. So let me go ahead and see there. So that works. So hello, hello, a lot of times. And now what we can be doing is we can go to our index.css. So in here we're gonna be customizing our .container class, or basically our container class. Let me go ahead and do that. And this is our container class right here. And now what we're going to be doing, let me check if I spelled it right. Oh yeah, I spelled it right. So now what we can be doing is we can first of all set overflow. And I'm not going to have any, but I'm just going to show you guys something. So these are the 4 things we're going to be learning today: auto, hidden, scroll, and visible. So let's go ahead and type nothing there. So first of all, we need a height of this. So let me go ahead and put a height of 50 pixels and the width to be like, uh, let me say 30 pixels actually. So now I'm gonna put the background color to be red so that we can see color to be red, and the text color, or basically the color, is gonna be our, let's say, white. And there we go. So there, let's go ahead and see it right there. So we cannot see anything right now. So let me go ahead and put something like this. So actually, let me increase the width. So I'm gonna put the width to be like 50 pixel, and there we go. So let me go ahead and type the overflow to be something like this. So first of all, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be saying the overflow to be visible. So now this is what it's gonna do. So we exactly cannot see the text, so that's why I'm gonna change this color to be black, and now it's gonna work. So there we go. So this overflow visible is gonna make the text visible even though it's outside the div tag. So that's how this thing works, overflow, and it's basically overflowing outside. I mean, so what is happening is it doesn't mean that it's not inside the div tag. It just means we have something called overflow, and this overflow is gonna happen a lot of times in websites. So yeah, and we can control this by using scroll bars and stuff. So you can do that too. So now what we're going to be doing is using an auto. So this auto gives us a scroll bar. So let's see a scroll bar. So there we go. But before saying why, I'm just going to first teach you guys something called scroll. So this also gives us a scroll bar. So this is the difference between auto and scroll. So this scroll always gives you a scroll bar. So let me go ahead and say if I have 2 of these, which 100% there should be a no scroll, because we can literally see this. So if I remove the scroll, let me go ahead and remove this. So we can still see this. But if you have still a scroll, it just gives us the scroll even though you can see it. But if you use an auto instead, it's gonna check whenever we need a scroll and stuff. So let me go ahead and fix this. Yeah. So now if we put auto, so it's gonna give us at that specific time. I don't know why it's giving a scroll, maybe because of the stuff like right here gaps and stuff. So yeah, it depends. So that's why we use auto more than the scroll. But sometimes if you want to guarantee scroll, you can do that. So now what we're gonna be learning is hidden. So this hidden is just gonna be removing the scroll, and then yeah. So let me go ahead and get my text back real quick. So yeah, the remaining text is gonna be hidden. So as you see, it's not gonna be there. So that's how this thing works. So I think you guys understood about overflow, and that's pretty much it about overflow. So we can use it so that we can get scroll bars or show some text even though you don't want to. So yeah. So that's for today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.